Here's the thing. Your information is everywhere. Your name, passwords, bank balances, credit card records, text messages, emails, your photos, that weird TikTok that you decided to post. It's a little scary, right? When you give your personal information to a company online, that information is stored on their computer system forever. Those computer systems are called servers, and most servers are operated by big technology companies. You know, the ones at Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Facebook, or Meta, which runs them on behalf of all the other smaller companies that you do business with. This is nice and all, but running things this way can be expensive, and those costs trickle down to you. It's also not the most secure. In fact, hacks happen all the time because so much information is stored on these servers. Clearly, there was a problem to be solved here. Ethereum has entered the chat. In this lesson, we'll cover what is Ethereum, what's the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin, what's a smart contract, and ways to use Ethereum. Ethereum was created to change how the internet works and solve the problem that I just mentioned.
It's saying the server went down?
Instead of using the server of a big company like Amazon, a centralized system, Ethereum lets software applications run on a network of private computers from all around the world, a decentralized system. Take a second and scroll through your phone's app store. All of these apps are able to run through the big company's servers that they rely on. If anything happened to those servers, or if those companies didn't approve of your app, well, it wouldn't be able to work. The big idea behind Ethereum is that anybody can use its decentralized network to create and run decentralized applications, dApps. No permission is needed because third parties, like the Apple App Store, are no longer required. This is how Ethereum aims to remove power from big companies and give the power to you. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So, if Ethereum and Bitcoin are both considered to be crypto, what's the difference? To break it down simply, Bitcoin is like digital gold, just currency, while Ethereum is a supercomputer. Both systems are powered and secured by a decentralized network of individual computers across the world known as the peer-to-peer network, and they both use blockchain technology. Ethereum was inspired by Bitcoin and the whole blockchain technology, but it essentially upgraded upon Bitcoin with the addition of something called smart contracts. More on this in a minute. Here's a little analogy for you. Bitcoin is to email, as Ethereum is to the actual web browser. This is because Ethereum's main goal is to enable programs that users can interact with and create, whereas Bitcoin is for transactions. What is a smart contract? Smart contracts can run apps, exchange money and other value, and send information. Essentially, they put agreed-upon rules into computer code and then enforce them automatically. Writer Nick Szabo uses the vending machine analogy when describing smart contracts. Think of them this way. If you put in $2 into the vending machine, but the bag of Cheez-Its you want are $2.50, no Cheez-Its for you. But if you insert $2.50, yay Cheez-Its! If you put in $2.50 but the Cheez-Its are sold out, you'll get a refund. Oh! Once these rules are agreed upon, they run on their own thanks to computer code. That means no one can change them, which makes sure everything is fair and square for all parties involved. Ways to use Ethereum. It can be very confusing to imagine this whole invisible network of transactions going on, especially when you start to think about how it actually works. I mean, I still don't really get how the internet is a thing. It's just there. Thinking about some of the ways Ethereum can actually be used might help put it all into perspective. Peer-to-peer marketplaces. You could use Ethereum to create various marketplaces where shoppers can pay sellers directly. For example, artists can sell music directly to their fans instead of using third parties like Apple or Amazon. Music could become cheaper and the artists would still get a larger cut. In fact, this is happening now with sites like Audius.co. Peer-to-peer insurance. You could use Ethereum to create insurance policies that are automatically sold and managed on peer-to-peer systems. For example, imagine car insurance that automatically charges you a small amount for only the miles you actually drive.
What?
Insurance could become cheaper and more customized. There are a ton of other ways that people are using Ethereum to build, but these are some of the most exciting ways Ethereum could be used in the future.